Good morning, students. Our today's activity is photo frame or collage of photo frame. So let's start. For this activity, you need any color of paper, cutter, scale, pencil, fevicol, and scissors. First of all, you have to take a cutout of frame. Okay, this cutout you need to make it first of all, and then we'll make a pattern with this cutout. How to make a pattern? First of all, I am taking this frame as a horizontal side. Okay, now I will take this frame on vertical side. Just see, now I will take this on again horizontal. Now I will take this vertical side. Just see. Now I will cut this cutout or this collage with cutter and scale. Now we'll cut the inside of frames. After this, we'll take a paper and we'll paste on it. Please make sure your lines should be single line. You can see here I have made two lines. You have to correct it. Okay, this line should be single line. This is one frame and this should be single line. Okay, just see, here are two lines, so I'll cut one line and I'll paste here. Okay, just see how I do. I'll cut it right from here. Now after pairing it, we'll paste this right here. Okay, so we'll take Fevicol and paste it. Just see, we'll paste here, and this will paste here. Now after this, we'll cut our paper like this. We'll leave the space after this frame. Just see, I have leave this space minimum 1 inch, so you have to leave the space 1 inch. After this, you have to cut at the corners like this. Just see. And this corner will cut like this. Now we'll paste it with Fevicol. Just see, after this you have to cut inside of the frames in a rectangle shape. At the corners we'll cut it like this. Just see. Now we'll again paste it. Just see, this is our collage frame. Now we'll paste photos and we'll make the back side of this cutout. I'll use this cutout and just make a boundary of this frame. Now we'll leave a little bit space from this line like this. And we'll cut it the whole outer. Look, now we'll paste our photos right here. We'll use these colorful paper because I don't have photos right now. So what you have to do, you have to take a little drops like this and you just paste it on it. Now I'll paste my frame on the cardboard. I hope you learned how to make a photo frame or photo frame collage. Thank you.